Okay, let's make one more drawing associated with this competitor's case. Let's make an exploded assembly drawing of this case. So let's go to the exploded view. We're going to add an exploded view, and we're going to take each one up. Let's see, how about 25 millimeters? And we'll bring this guy down, minus 25. Pretty simple. Okay, so we have that. So if we double click it, we see it there. Okay, good. Let's now go into the bill of materials, the BOM, and the default looks like this. Let's get rid of description, remove column. We don't care about the part number, but let's add the name. Yeah, there it is. Let's use that as the for the bill of materials. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create a drawing of the assembly. There's two choices here since there's two parts in here, but I'll choose assembly. And we'll put it here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put three different views here. So they're all going to be, let's do the one we typically do here, the isometric and exploded. Let's put it right in the middle. And right click, show shaded views. So there it is. And we have the callouts here that we can put in. I guess we need to do the BOM first, don't we? So there's the BOM table. If you click here, it'll pin that lower right corner. So let's take it way down here, like so. There it is. Yeah, so the two appears, and then we can take the one, or the other call out right there, and we have that. Okay, let's also just, because we can, I think, let's add another one from the front, but also exploded. And it'll appear in a second. Yeah, we'll do that one. This way you kind of see how it looks from multiple directions. And let's do one more from the right side. And put that one over here, and also we want that to be exploded as well. So a lot of engineering is about, documentation for clarity, and to me, this kind of shows a lot of detail. Maybe a little overkill. Maybe we don't need all of them, but I kind of like the way that looks. So that is a drawing, an assembly drawing of an exploded view from the isometric front and right sides.